Hello guys, today we will see about water simulation and dynamic paint in Blender, and we will create a paint splash workflow. And but first, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so you will get further notified when I upload any video. And there is a lot of cool stuff coming down which you definitely want to see, so do subscribe the channel. And now just start the video. So press X to delete the default cube and select a circle here. Go to the edit mode, press F, E to extrude a little bit, and S to scale it down, R, Y and 90 degree, and just go to the front mode and just place it here and just scale it down. Now select our domain object, for example a cube, just a little bit scaling, and go to the wireframe mode so you look clearly. And now what you have to done is just apply the physics tab on it. So this circle will work our inflow object and this cube will work as a domain. So first of all, select the circle fluid and select the type inflow. Okay, and you can set its velocity here like 20. Okay, and now you have to select the domain here and fluid, select the type domain, and from back option you have to select output folder wherever you want, accept it. And you can also, what you can do for better result, viewport, you can choose final here and you can increase the preview to 65, and we will just remain the same, and also decrease the timeline value to 100. Okay, and now what you have to done, just bake the simulation. And first here we don't want to continuous flow of current, so therefore at 20 we will mark here I, and at 21 uncheck and also keyframe it, so it will not flow after 21. Now you have to just bake it down and it will bake the simulation very quickly. You can see down here it is baking, so we have to just wait a little bit, and after that we will add it dynamic paint and making paint splash effect. So but first we check the simulation by pressing spacebar or any key which you are playing animation. So this is the effect of water simulation. So now what we have to do, we have to use a plane R, X and 90, RY 90, and just place it to the front of it here. Okay, and now what you have to done, just select dynamic paint and it will our canvas, add canvas, and this water here, it will act as a brush. So add a brush here, sorry, we have to add the brush. So select the brush and add brush, and you can select whatever color you want here. We will select like blue, sky blue color. And now some of the setting here, we want to vertex, not vertex but image sequence, and down here we also have to bake it. And these properties here I explained this in the previous lecture. And select the UV map here and image type PNG, it is work fine. And this folder here you have to select the output folder, and now you have to bake the image sequence also. So just bake the image sequence, you will see it bake very quickly. And now if we play the animation, we can see that. And now you have to go to that folder. You can see that these pics are the paint splash effect, and now you have to enter that in this. Divide the window into two half, go to the shader editor tab and select a new shader here, and you have to select image sequence from the texture image sequence and select the all images wherever you rendered it, and just do it like this, and you will see that we are seeing the splash effect. But if you don't like the black background, then you can change. And for changing this, go to the color and mix RGB, and now connect alpha to the factor and this value to the color 2, and you can now see the white background here, and you can see that it is not moving the image sequence, but it is moved in the render menu. And you can also change the color here, you can change whatever you want. So we will go with that, and this is it for today's lecture. You can just render it and it will work in the render option. It will move with the paint in the render option. Don't worry about that, it will work just fine. So this is it for today lecture. I hope you like the video, and just subscribe the channel so you will get notified further, and thanks for watching.